Hi, let's review how searching works in the Toad application. To begin a search, click your desired data from the left side navigation. Once you've selected your data, click the Find icon in the Action toolbar. Doing so will put you in Find mode, clearing the screen and allowing you to enter search criteria. Enter your criteria in one or more fields and then click the Find icon again to execute your search. If more than one record was found, a list will appear and the number of records found will be displayed at the top of the page. Use the page arrows at the bottom of the screen to view more search results. Okay, now let's see a few examples. Example 1, let's find all calls that are on the lot. To do so, I'll click on the Find mode. I'll change my status to On Lot, and then I'll execute the find. Now, what if we wanted to find all calls that are on the lot for more than 30 days? Again, I'll go into Find mode. I'll change the status to On Lot. And then for days, I'll put greater than 30. And I'll execute my find. Okay, so what if we wanted to search by date range? I can enter Find mode, go into a date field such as the dispatch date, and enter a date range. And the way I'll do that is I'll enter my beginning date. So in this case, I'm going to search for all dispatch calls in the month of April. So I'll enter April 1st. And then 3 dots, dot, 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 April 30th. Once I have my beginning and end date with the 3 dots in the middle, I can execute my find. And I'll see that I've dispatched 70 records within the month of April. Toad also allows you to do wild character searches. In this example, I'm going to look for all calls where the tag number starts with LV. So I'm in Find mode. I'll go into the tag field and I'll enter LV with my wild character, which is a %sign. Again, it's LV%, which means find any vehicle whose tag number begins with LV. When I execute that find, I'll see that I have 17 records with a tag number that begins with LV. I can use the same wild character searching to look for any value that ends in my criteria. So for example, I'll go into Find mode, and now I'll want to find any tag number that ends with 01. So in this case, I will put the % first, followed by 01. Find any tag that ends in 01, and I will find 4 records. And the last thing you can do with the wild character search is look for your value anywhere within the field. So I'll go into Find mode in the tag field, and I will find any vehicle whose tag has an A in the tag number. So in this case, I'll put %A%. So find me any tag where A is in the tag number. I'll execute the find and I'll see that I have 19 records found. Okay, so what if I want to find records where a field value is empty or null? In this case, I'm going to look for all vehicles where we have not yet entered a VIN. I'm in Find mode. I'll go into the VIN field and I'll use my special symbol for finding empty records, which is a caret and an equal sign. I'll enter that, execute the find, and I'll see that I have 147 records where the VIN has not been entered yet. And that concludes this edition of Toad's Fast Track Learning series.